Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, January 15th, and they are good up until Saturday, January 21st. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so right here I do have two separate transactions. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the first transaction. So in my first transaction, I grabbed two of the Oral-B toothbrushes, two of the Colgate toothpaste, and then not pictured, I grabbed a bag of candy, Laffy Taffy candy, that cost me about 38 cents because it was on clearance, so I decided to grab it. So those are all of the items that I grabbed in my first transaction. So with the Oral-B, the Oral-B is priced at Walgreens this week for $3. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase two at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $6. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $6 minus the $2 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $4. You will receive back this $4 registry reward for purchasing two. And then you guys, this store coupon also printed off. So when you purchase the Oral-B toothbrush, you are going to receive back a $4 registry reward. And then you're also going to receive back a $4 store coupon, making these toothbrushes completely free plus a $4 moneymaker. But not only that, if you check your IBOTTA account, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $2 back. The limit is 5, I think, either 3 or 5, but I only purchased 2, so I got back $2 times 2, which is $4. So you guys, total for these Oral-B toothbrushes, they were completely free plus an $8 moneymaker. This is a fantastic deal to do this week at Walgreens. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed two of the Colgate toothpaste, and these are priced this week at Walgreens for $2.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase two at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.98 minus the $2 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $3.98. And then you will receive back your $4 registry reward, making the toothpaste completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then once again, not pictured, I did purchase the Laffy Taffy candy. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there's the Laffy Taffy candy at 38 cents. Both of my Oral-B toothbrushes at $3 each. My Colgate toothpaste at $2.99 each, so $5.98. I did use two registry rewards on this transaction, two $1 registry rewards. And then my $2 digital for my Colgate, along with my $2 digital for my Oral-B came off. So my subtotal was $6.36, but of course I have to add back in the two $1 registry rewards that I used. So my subtotal was actually $8.36. And then in Walgreens cash, I only got back 7 cents. So $8.36. Then I got back a total of $12. I got back the $4 registry reward for the Colgate, $4 registry reward for the Oral-B, and then also the $4 store coupon for the Oral-B. So $8.36 minus the $12 that I received back in registry rewards, that made this transaction completely free plus a $3.64 moneymaker. But I submitted my receipt over to IBOTTA for the Oral-B, and I got back a total of $4 back. So in total, this transaction was completely free plus a $7.64 moneymaker. So this was a fantastic transaction, you guys. So now moving on over to my second transaction, I got two of the soft soap body washes, a total of 6 Palmolive dish soaps, 2 Dawn dish soaps, and then 2 packages of the Bounty paper towels. So with the soft soap, these are priced this week at Walgreens at $4.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase two at $4.99, and that's going to bring your total to $9.98. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9.98 minus that $2 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $7.98. And then you will receive back this $5 registry reward for purchasing 2, bringing your total down to just $2.98 for both, or it makes each one $1.49. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased both of the Dawn dish soaps, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $1.29. So when you purchase 2, your total is going to be $2.58. You will receive back a $1 registry reward for purchasing 2, bringing your total down to just $1.58 for both, or it makes each one just 79 cents. And then next up, I purchased a total of 6 of the Palmolive dish soaps. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $3 in Walgreens cash rewards. So I purchased a total of 6. So $2.99 times 6 is $17.94. I used a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Palmolive. And then I also went to the Palmolive website, and I was only able to print one coupon, which was 50 cents as well. So I had a total of $1 in coupons. So $17.94 minus the $1 in coupons, that brought my total down to $16.94. I got a total of $9 back in Walgreens cash, because remember, for every 2 that you buy, you will receive back $3 in Walgreens cash. I purchased 6, so I got back $369. So $16.94 minus the $9 in Walgreens cash, that brought my total down to $7.94 for all, or it makes each one just $1.32. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased the 2 of the Bounty paper towels. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $11.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $11.99, and that's going to bring your total to $23.98. I did have a Bounty coupon on the Walgreens app, but I already used it, so I didn't use any coupons this time. So $23.98, and then I did receive back my $4 registry reward right here. So with receiving back that $4 registry reward, it brought the total down to $19.98. But if you submit your receipt to IBOTTA, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $3 back. And I don't remember what the limit is, but I purchased 2, so I did get back $6 from IBOTTA. So $19.98 minus the $6 from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to $13.98. And then there is a rebate on the P&G website, where when you spend $20, you will receive back a $5 gift card. So I went ahead and submitted my receipt, so I should be receiving my gift card whenever I receive it. So $13.98 minus the $5 that I will be receiving back from P&G, that brought my total down to $8.98 for both, or it makes each pack just $4.49. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there's my soft soap, both of them at $4.99, so $9.98. Both paper towels at $11.99, so $23.98. All of my Palmolive dish soap at $2.99. Both of my Dawn at $1.29 each, so $2.58. I did use a paper spin booster. I forgot to mention, I used a paper spin booster on this transaction, get $9 when you spend $40. And then I also had a digital booster, get $10 when you spend $50. So there's my paper spin booster, the 50-cent digital for the Palmolive, my $2 digital for the soft soap, and then my paper 50-cent coupon for the second Palmolive. So my subtotal came out to be $51.48. So when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I know that y'all can hardly see it, but I did earn back $28.54. So $51.48 minus the $28.54 that I received, that brought my total down to $22.94. Now, of that $28.54 that I received back in Walgreens cash, $10 came from my digital spin booster, get $10 when you spend $50. $9 came from my paper spin booster, get $9 when you spend $40. And then the $9 came from the Palmolive, get $3 when you buy 2. And then the 54 cents came from the Walgreens everyday points. So $22.94 minus the $10 in registry rewards that I received back my $1 for the Dawn, my $4 for the Bounty, and then my $5 for the soft soap. So $22.94 minus the $10 in registry rewards that I received, that brought my total down to $12.94. Then I submitted my receipt to IBOTTA, and I did receive back $6 from IBOTTA for purchasing 2 Bounty. So $12.94 minus the $6 that I received from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to $6.94. But if you remember, in my first transaction, I had a moneymaker in my first transaction of $7.64. So I went ahead and applied that moneymaker to this transaction, which made everything that you see here, you guys, completely free, plus a 70-cent moneymaker. So this was a fantastic transaction for me. I have absolutely no complaints on this transaction today. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you all did, please do me a favor and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are going to get from Walgreens this week. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did submit my receipt. I don't remember how much I got back, but I did submit my receipt. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Same thing with IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my IBOTTA, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you all in my next video.